Welcome to 19234 Solomon Drive, a professionally managed turnkey vacation home here in the heart of Tetherow. This spacious home is designed around gathering. The lower level has 3 primary suites, each with their own bathroom and access to the outdoors. Up on the second level, we have these beautiful soaring ceilings, a deck that looks out to the north, has a grill on there to really enjoy those beautiful summer afternoons with views all the way to the snow-capped Cascade Mountains. Here in the living room, we have this great gas fireplace, dining area, gourmet kitchen. And behind the kitchen is the den with a pull-out sleeper sofa. It also comes replete with a hall bath with a shower to serve as a 5th bedroom if needed. And we also have a primary suite with its own private bath. So these vacation homes here in the Cairn neighborhood of Tetherow really are the best of both worlds. You can come, enjoy, stay, have your family retreat, but it's turnkey management that takes away the headaches of owning a second home. This home already has a strong booking history and bookings into 2023. We invite you to come discover this home for yourself.